Alright guys, we are super excited to be here with you today at
How did mud happen over there?
Fremont Skate Park. It's so exciting, I don't even know how to live.
That mud?
That is disgusting mud. Okay guys, so we're here and we have the world's largest skateboards.
Bigger than me.
The Bigfoot board, the Nintendo remote control, and whatever you call that one over there.
12-inch fish.
12-inch fish board. That's one of my favorites. So here's how this works. This is biggest boards, whole park, game of skate. So these guys, Rochambeau,
And you.
the winner picks the board that they want to take first, and then it rotates the boards. And they can do anything, anywhere, and I'm reffing this set of Wild Stallions.
Why aren't you playing?
I mean, I can play if you want me to. Leave it in the comments below if you want me to play. After the fact. Go ahead, Rochambeau.
Who's your out? Cancel out.
Dang it. All right, you guys for first. Carlos is
I'll
first.
stick with the one I have.
Gabe just left the rules. Only 3 people can play. Carlos is first, second, third.
Just keep it on the same rotation.
I was trying to understand what you were talking about because we only have 3 boards.
Oh, I thought we could just rotate. It doesn't matter.
No, there's only 3 people.
Okay,
with 3
okay.
boards.
Carlos, roll.
I gotta ease into this. Just look how Ollie. Look how little I look on this thing, dude.
Like, we have to do ollies on these?
Were you eating lemons again?
I got Ebola.
Now they just ollie on that board, right?
Yeah, now everyone ollies on that one.
But remember, Carlos, it rotates. You just use the best board for an ollie.
I want to make this interesting.
Got it?
It's scary.
Bigfoot's up next.
Who put this truck on?
Daniel.
We do have a skate tool in the car. Looks good, feels good, smells good.
We're trying to ollie into the dip bowl or disc, whatever you call that thing.
I could have told you that was gonna happen.
I know. What is he thinking? I thought you were gonna go over that and you could just get a lot of speed.
I know.
Sail
Let's see
over
what they got.
Bigfoot up next.
It's been a long time.
And Uzi, you're second?
Yes. I'm gonna ollie.
You should smith the rail.
I'll save that for a little bit. I'll warm up first.
You
Good
really
idea.
did get Ebola, dude. What happened?
I don't know.
What's going on here?
I'm gonna 180 this little
The
gap.
gap? Okay.
What? I thought you said ollie. He didn't win for frontside 180?
Yeah.
I was so high up in the air. I
Just
couldn't
start
take
off
the
with
impact.
an ollie. Take it easy, dude.
Maybe I just forgot to tighten them.
You did this?
I think so, yeah. All right, you're up. Your tricks are set.
Guess.
No slide. Look how his foot came off.
Despite not having been here for a very long time, first try on any board, anytime, Fetty no slide. Look at this guy. He's a champion.
Yeah, here I did an ollie.
And missed it. What a guy.
That is an S for Carlos, and if any one of these hit my shins, I'm done for the day. It's gonna break my ankle.
You might be done for skating ever. Daniel, please. How do you even There's children around.
All right,
It's too
Aaron,
early for
who's
this.
Your,
isn't it?
who's your winner of this game?
My winner of this game is Fetty.
But my thigh hurts really bad from running down San Francisco.
Carlos. What are you doing?
I'm no
Letter!
Let's give him 2 letters for that.
Oh,
One for being a cheater.
Look at you.
I'm Uzi.
What? That sounded awesome.
He's literally playing games. He skated all these before us. He got the advantage.
Because I know which way to skate the controller.
I love how that sounds.
Doesn't sound like anything.
I love it too, Gabe.
I love you. Oh, I wanted him to miss that so bad. Ollie the 5.
No, I think I'm gonna do back disaster on the
Deal. Yeah. Oh, he's playing dirty, Aaron.
Back disaster.
God.
His kidneys.
That was brutal, dude. And you ask us to go street skating, then we come on Saturdays like this.
That's what I told you. Gotta fix the schedule.
I'll try to front 180 the kicker to flat.
What in the world? Who does that? Why would you do that?
I don't know, man.
No, his toes couldn't touch. They wanted to. His whole foot wanted to leave the board. And the board was like, nope, there's too much of me.
The ghost landing.
I think I just got catfished.
Nobody can hear you.
I got Ebola.
You got it, Uzi.
You think Uzi got it? Uzi 100% guaranteed does not have this.
No shot.
What are you doing?
Okay.
He got hurt so bad. This is why I like the flat ground game of skates.
Seeing people get tossed is awesome.
You heard it here. Gabe Cruz. Seeing people get tossed is awesome. Quote, 2019.
Does anybody else remember SSX Tricky on the PS2?
No. Is it a snowboard game?
I love that game. Don't remember that one. That was stupid.
Wait, that was his trick? I thought he was setting up.
No, it was an actual stall. It's kind of hard because you can't see where the trucks are.
Right. He did it. Ebola or not, he's got that all day.
Ebola. Ref.
We're gonna get it. He's had a rough day.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, blunt's fake.
Oh no.
He's gonna say no way,
That's
no
dumb.
way. He's gonna manual the manual pad.
That's not, no.
Out of 1 out of 10, he has a 1 chance of landing this.
Wow. He just shut us up.
Yeah, Ebola is really helping his balance. I mean, let's give it to him. Yeah, he's had a rough morning. Let's give it to him. He basically manualed, right? I mean, he's had a rough morning. Oh.
Is it my turn
That's okay.
again? Now what?
You know,
It's your
Aaron,
turn.
the funny thing
Change
is if
the
he
board.
tries a regular manual, he can't. But if he switch manuals, perfect.
Oh.
Fetty, you have Bigfoot.
I have the smallest feet, actually, here. Let's try backside flip the hip.
How he landed that, we'll never know. I told you Fetty was a contender.
Wow, that was Sasquatch.
He like can't walk. This video is Carlos's kryptonite. The boards are too big.
Hey.
What are you gonna do? Told you. It's the hardest thing for him to skate ever. And he can skate anything. But if it's just like 4 times as big as his entire body, hard to flip. Oh, you had that! Giving up. The Ebola is getting to his head.
All right, Fetty has S and the other 2 have A's. Oh,
Well, he's had a
perfect.
bit of a rough morning, so we're gonna give it to him. I guess I probably should have given him a letter on that manual because he's just killing everybody.
Yeah,
But
you know what I mean though.
no, I don't. What do you mean? Hey, he surfed it out.
I mean, he's having a rough morning.
How do we judge that? It's good. Give it a
I
go.
did. I went into the bank, dude. That's so crazy.
I'm going surfing tomorrow.
Braille surf trip.
I'd be down to go. T for
Too
Uzi.
big. Too big. Uzi, you need a win.
I had a rough morning. I got Ebola.
Win, Uzi.
I'm gonna try kickflip the fakie on the bank.
Hi. Ah.
I was gonna say, that's the hardest
what
thing
team are you
ever
guys?
to kickflip that. Kickflip that is incredibly hard.
Move, Uzi.
Sorry.
Get out of the way.
Sorry.
He's gonna kickflip off of that. Should I tell him?
he's
Like,
gonna
no?
try.
Should I tell him
I
no?
think he's got it.
Ah, no.
Never mind.
I mean, it's like 83 times wider than his entire life
True.
as a body. You know, his body is. Just do a double flip.
A double flip.
Drop it on
Oh.
the big pole.
Can I go?
Anything you
Can I
want.
go over to the gaps?
You can do whatever you want.
Oh wait.
Turning out exactly how you predicted.
Yeah, I told you. I'm like a reader of the future, a reader of minds and a future of lives. That makes sense, right? So on this one, what are you going for? He
Oh,
will.
he's got it.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Want to bet?
Yeah.
I'll bet you a metaphorical Jamba Juice.
Metaphorical. No, I want a real Jamba Juice.
Fork it over.
I mean, that was a backside 180 slide, wasn't it? Just kidding. That's how I do them. I do them even worse than that. That was incredible. How did you know? Because he got good backside 180s.
He does.
Yeah.
You're gonna make fun of me, aren't you?
Fetty also has really good backside 180s.
So that's what you were expecting to happen to Uzi.
Yes. Are you okay, mate?
I guess.
I reckon that hurt a little bit on the butt.
How are you wearing a hoodie right now?
I don't know.
One thing I've noticed in this video, the boards are just too big.
Oh, I didn't think this through.
That was what yours looked like.
Count it. Hashtag Braille Army.
Uzi.
These boards are big. What board now?
You know, this video is called the biggest boards in history, so it
what
would
I'm
make
saying.
sense.
They're huge.
End of the game and he just realized the boards are big. He's at T.
I'm gonna grind the rainbow ledge.
You're gonna what?
You're gonna roll onto it?
Yeah, go
Front side, back side?
front side.
Okay, deal.
100% guaranteed he does not land this.
Yeah, I agree with
I'm
you.
just telling you. He's my friend and I want the best for him, but he's done.
He's gonna miss it.
I wish I was wrong on that, because he's a good man.
Yes, they are crooked.
Rigged. Look at this.
No one thought to tell the man.
I mean, you're supposed to inspect your craft before you just go on to something like
True.
that. Fetty versus the 5-stair. He's done a lot of tricks on this down this. You remember? In my mind, I was like, please just ollie. Please
That's what
just
I was
ollie.
thinking. Oh man, good full send though.
That was full wang dang.
Oh, hey, just right down the stream. All right, Uzi.
Aaron, you said there's a pattern when there's obviously a pattern.
Are you gonna smith the handrail?
I'm gonna do something. Daniel, hold my phone.
Anything above an ollie would have been certain death for him.
We should have made predictions on that, you know? Could have gone any which way.
My turn. Right?
Uzi has huge expectations, I'm telling you.
If he missed that, I would have laughed very hard.
Truth. I would have laughed, but not very hard. Just like medium hard, like.
It's Bigfoot time.
No toes, nose.
No toes, nose.
Kickflip the big gap.
Are you
The
kidding
rock.
me?
No.
You can't even kickflip on
my
flat
gosh.
that board.
Okay,
you can't
go
kickflip
ahead.
it.
Go ahead, Aaron. Make your prediction on this one.
I predict he will land it because I believe in my friends.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think he's gonna land on the underside of the board and he's gonna eat it.
Yeah, he's dead.
My prediction wasn't that bad.
No, it wasn't.
What are you gonna do?
Kickflip.
No way.
Dang, girl. I can't wait to see Carlos do this.
Carlos has actually got this one.
Yeah, me too.
Well, Carlos can't double flip, so we'll see what happens.
Has anybody done a triple heel flip?
I
Leave
will
it in the
do a
comments
triple heel
below.
flip.
Rodney Mullen?
I will triple heel flip.
Carlos, just let us know. Rodney Mullen, triple heel flip.
P for.
Dang! This guy is going ham.
Why are my thighs so sore?
What do I have, Ed?
Literally the exact same thing as the Bigfoot board.
Yeah.
Just work.
Wait, do I get another try?
Yeah, you got
I
one more
just-
try.
oh.
Just flick it a little harder. We'll give you one more try, Uzi. We'll give you one more.
many tries as you want.
Yeah, one more try. Interference.
Dang. He's out.
It was a long run. A long run.
Hold up. Factoid of information.
Okay, Spanish, Nintendo means, I forgot.
From Japan, though?
Just let him have it.
I've been giving Carlos hell all week. Oh, strategy. Oh, he's bringing out the strategy, Aaron.
Normally I would say that's not a trick, but it is on the ranks on Braille Army website at brailleskateboarding.com. It is one of the tricks that you can get a point for. Oh no! Oh no! Get out of town! Get out of the country!
I think that mini machine door actually helped him out on this.
Mini machine door for the win. Boom!
All right. Make your predictions.
No.
You think?
I think it'll half flip.
Did you overflip that?
Under.
You got this. Carlos, your son is right there watching you. Wow.
There's
you
no way.
Called it.
Yeah. I mean, the board is this. The board is this
Second place
wide.
champion! Second place!
The first
If you're
time
not
Carlos
first, you were
has
in
not
second.
won.
Let's go.
You killed it.
Now you have to kickflip them all.
Everybody crushed it.
Aaron, my final mission for you, since you didn't participate in this game of skate, is to kickflip all of them.
You kicked me out of the video.
I did. I'm sorry. But I do want to see you get a kickflip on all these. I'll take that.
But if I don't land it, just know because I have a lot of situations occurring.
Yes, Aaron. Straight
Wow.
to it.
I just farted. If you smell something, might be more than just fart.
Uh-oh.
Ouch!
Aaron's hardest slam.
Yeah, cancel the video. Aaron's hardest slam video.
We gotta
Coming
take you to
soon.
the ER.
One try, no photo. Dang it. Okay, you can photo it.
Yes.
Oh! Where's that Nintendo controller?
Right there. All right. Prove the world wrong.
Okay, there's a truck there and there. You hear that pop? First try?
Yep.
Oh, what? Get out of town! Check out all the other videos right there. You'll have an absolute blast watching those. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, go to the Braille Army and get your rank. BrailleSkateboarding.com.